slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? RV Stuff back here once again with another quick little review on these Bred Off-White Jordan 4s. Early little look, these are not released yet. These are a UA or rep pair. So if you don't like that type of stuff, get off the video right now. It's not that hard. For those of y'all that do fuck with the channel and you might be new, think about subscribing, think about dropping a like on the video, turn on notifications, and last but not least, follow your boy on Instagram at RVStuffTV. With all that being said, guys, let's get into it. These took about 3 weeks to get here, give or take. A little slower with EMS. If they were DHL shipping, they would have been a little quicker. But yeah, I digress. Came boxed nicely. That's all that matters. So here's the information for the website. Website is YesKicks.cn. Email is right there. WeChat is RepKicks, and if you use the code RVStuff, you can save yourself $15. It should work, and if it doesn't, DM me on Instagram. Let me know, and we'll get in contact with them and see what's up. So let's take a look at the shoes real quick. Before that, obviously, got to cover the box. Same old box we're used to seeing with the Off-White 4s thus far. These are not released yet, but I don't see them changing anytime soon. So there's the information right there. Size 9.5. These are not a personal pickup. These are for a friend. So yeah, I don't know why this is always closed on these pairs. It's kind of weird, but it's annoying to get off too because it's sticky. But yeah, anyways, inside the box, it's all red. Y'all already know how this box looks. I think I covered 2 other pairs of these as well, so make sure you watch those videos if you want, see if there's any differences between batches. I think they're all more or less the same batch. StockX, got the tag in there, or got the sticker in there. It's still a StockX sticker. A little paperwork, and then you just got the plastic. That's pretty much it inside the box. So nice and quick, nice and snappy. Let's get to his shoes now. Here are the shoes. They do come with 3 sets of laces, so they come with a cream pair, white pair, red pair, and then the black pair that's actually on the shoes. So here's the shoe itself. Y'all can see, good quality shoe. I don't really see any discrepancies honestly in the quality. If anything, these might be a little bit better than the last pair I reviewed. Inside the shoe, you got the Nike Air, you got the Air Jordan. Back of the shoe, and I'm sure we'll see some changes as we approach like the release of these as well, but we will have to wait. Air Jordan 4, built in Oregon. So yeah, you guys can have a good look at the shoe. Netting, got the nice clear transparent white cloudy matte netting. I was supposed to say matting. Got the StockX tag right there as well. The air print, air bubble. Bottom of the shoe, this one actually looks really clean on the bottom. Looks nice. Got the icy sole here. Little stars on the red. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. But yeah, you already know for the most part what these shoes are supposed to look like, so I'm not gonna take a long time with this video. But got the black laces on here as well, looks clean. Just put the shoe to your side real quick. So that's the right shoe. Left shoe is right here as well. You got the Air Jordan tag right there. Got the little Off-White tag, CO Nike 2020 zip tie. And yeah, man, overall, shoes are looking clean. Don't see any issues with them. Didn't even show this, but the size tag in there as well, if y'all can see that. Size US 11, because they are women's sizing showing, so that is 9.5 as well. Nike Air on the bottom, or on the insole, sorry. Back of the shoe on this one, translucent Nike Air. See the text. Off-White for Nike Jordan 4, built in Oregon. Y'all already know. So yeah, let me know if you guys like these quick little reviews. I'm not trying to waste the rest of y'all day you know, taking 10-15 minutes reviewing a shoe. You guys can see what's good. If there's anything wrong, you see that as well. And that's that. These videos are for educational purposes only. Don't condone buying any of this stuff. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine. Now on this bottom, not as clean. You can see the paint there. It is not painted where it should be, or a little bit translucent is showing. Got some red bleeding. So it's always good to show both shoes, but nonetheless, that is the bottom of the shoe. Doesn't matter all that much. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below. You guys copping these when they drop, or you dropping these when they drop? Let me know. Comment section down below. If you're new to your channel and you rock with your boy, subscribe, drop a like, turn on notifications. Last but not least, follow the Instagram at RepKicks. Link is always in the description. With all that being said guys, hope y'all enjoy the rest of the day, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.